We all need people who give us feedback. That's how we improve. But unfortunately, there's one group of people who give almost no systematic feedback to help them do their jobs better. And these people have one of the most important jobs in the world. I'm talking about teachers. When Melinda and I learned how little useful feedback most teachers get, we were blown away. Until recently, over 98% of teachers just got one word of feedback: satisfactory. If all my British coach teachers said I was satisfactory, I would have no hope of ever getting better. How would I know who's the best? How would I know what I was doing differently? Today, districts are revamping the way to evaluate teachers. But we still give them almost no feedback to improve their practice. Our teachers deserve better. The system we have today isn't fair to them. It's not fair to students, and it's putting Americans' global leadership at risk. So today, I want to talk about how we can improve the tools for teachers, what they want and deserve. Let's start by asking, who's doing well? Unfortunately, there's no teachers' feedback ranking table systems. So I look at the countries who did well and the student performed well, and look at what they're doing to improve their teaching. Let's look at the reading proficiency. The US isn't number 1. We're not even in the top 10. We are tied with 15th with Iceland and Poland. All of the countries who did well on the US, how many of them have a formal system to improve their systems? 11 out of 14. The US is tied with 15th on reading, but we are 23rd in science and 31st in math. So there's only one area we're near the top, and that's how we can do the teachers and what they tools do. Let's look at the best academic performer, the province of Shanghai, China. Now they rank number 1 across the board in reading, math, and science. One of the keys of Shanghai's incredible success that they help teachers keep improving. They require younger teachers to watch master teachers teaching, and they earned weekly study groups and what's working of those teachers. They even require each teacher to observe and give feedback to their colleagues. You might ask yourself why a system like this is so important. Because the teachers have so much variation. Some of the teachers have far more effective than others. This is the key of the incredible success if all of our average teachers could be as good as those teachers, our students will be blowing away of the rest of the world. So we need to be all the teachers be as good as the best. What would the system look like? Well, to find out, our company has worked with 3,000 teachers in the country and working at the project called the measure of teaching. We have observers watch teachers in the classroom and what they're doing and a range of practices. For example, did they find multiple ways to explain an idea? We also have the reason like this, does your teachers know when a class understands a lesson? Did you correct your mistake? What we found is very exciting. First, this teachers on this observation have far better students' outcomes. This taught us that we are asking the right thing. Second, the teachers in the program told us these videos and these questions will be very important tools for teaching because that they have specific places they can improve.